Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to localize build number, it should be on the third position, and now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that you're in the developer mode. Now let's go back and tap on System and Updates. Right here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on them, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show layout bounds. Basically those options we can activate them just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see it will be applied. We've got a lot of options with the switchers. We can turn it off the same way, and here we've got the options without the switcher, so basically just tap on it to open more options from which you can choose. So as you can see, you can change the window animation scale, you can even turn them off completely, so it's up to you. If you are done with customization of developer options, just go to the top and tap on the switcher. As you can see, we will go back to the System and Updates, and the developer options will disappear from the list, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.